Welcome to Montclus, a charming village nestled in the heart of the French countryside. Join us as we take a leisurely stroll through the picturesque streets and explore the hidden gems of this enchanting place. As we wander through the narrow cobblestone streets, lined with beautifully preserved medieval houses, the history of Montclus comes alive. Every corner reveals a story, inviting you to step back in time and imagine the lives of those who once called this place home. The soothing sound of the nearby river provides the perfect soundtrack to our exploration. Follow the sound and you will stumble upon the impressive stone bridge that connects the village, offering breathtaking views of the surrounding countryside. Whether you are an art enthusiast, history buff, or simply a lover of natural beauty, Montclus has something for everyone. From art galleries showcasing local talent to peaceful walking trails along the river, this village truly offers a tranquil escape from the hustle and bustle of modern life. Take a moment to pause at the quaint cafes and charming boutiques that line the main square. Sip on a cup of freshly brewed coffee or indulge in a delicious pastry while you soak in the vibrant atmosphere and watch daily life unfold. The soothing sound of the nearby river provides the perfect soundtrack to our exploration. Follow the sound and you will stumble upon the impressive stone bridge that connects the village, offering breathtaking views of the surrounding countryside.